after a court makes a decision, doesn't mean everybody agrees with it, specifically the person who didn't get their way. And that person has the right to appeal. And there's some parameters around that. You can't just appeal because you lost. You have to appeal on the standard of either correctness or overriding and palpable error. A few things to know about appeal courts. When you appeal, so when you're the person who's disagreeing with the trial court's decision, you are called the appellate. The person who is defending the lower court's decision, so who originally won, would be called the respondent. Appeal courts don't have the judge versus jury setup that lower courts do. Appeal courts are typically more than one judge, usually an odd number of judges, so that we can get a majority of agreement on the decision. And the judges would sit and review not the evidence again. We don't call the witnesses again and have another trial. We hear the arguments for the lawyers about why they feel or don't feel that the decision that was made at the outcome of trial was correct or relied on an error of fact. And they can revise, overturn, rectify essentially the lower court's decision or send back for a retrial. So if they dismiss the appeal, it means they agree with the lower court, or in other words, affirm the decision of the lower court.